Hi guys, my name is Kristina Sayre and I'm the owner here at Well Rooted Hair and Scalp Clinic. I am the certified trichologist, which is a hair and scalp practitioner. When a patient comes in here to Well Rooted Hair and Scalp Clinic, we start with a very thorough consultation. We do a medical questionnaire and background. We have to first find out what kind of hair loss you have before we can even consider how we're going to treat that. And we also put a microscope on everybody's scalp to make sure what condition the hair follicles are in, again, to know if we're able to treat them or not. As far as a time frame on how long to expect results, typically within 4 to 6 months, people are starting to see results. The first 3 months is really about stopping the shedding and getting you on a treatment plan that works for you. One of the misconceptions about hair loss is that it's very expensive. One of the things that I pride this company on is finding a solution that works for everybody that is affordable. Some people are paying $40 a month for their hair restoration, and other people it's $100, depending on what they need for their treatment. Book your free consultation at Well Rooted Hair and Scalp Clinic. You can find us on Facebook at Well Rooted Hair and Scalp. You can go to our webpage at wellrooted.com, or you can call us at 559-540-8891. Thank you. We look forward to seeing you.